There's a secret war being waged against your car's lifespan, and the enemy is hiding in plain sight. It's in your dashboard, under your hood, and even in your steering wheel. These aren't just minor flaws, they are engineered weaknesses designed to fail. The thing nobody tells you is that these features are a multi-billion-dollar business for the auto industry, built on your repair bills. We're about to pull back the curtain and count down the 12 most destructive car features ever invented. What you're about to hear will change the way you look at cars forever. You won't believe how this seemingly harmless luxury feature can become a costly distraction and an infuriating source of rattles. Number 12. Ambient lighting. Kicking off our list is a feature that seems harmless, a touch of class in a modern interior. Ambient lighting, with its soft, colorful glow, is marketed as the pinnacle of luxury. But this luxury can be a significant distraction during night driving, increasing eye strain. Furthermore, the complexity behind this simple glow is staggering. It involves a network of fragile LED strips, complex wiring, and a control module tied into the car's main computer. When one of these little LEDs starts to flicker or fails, you can't just replace a bulb. A technician has to painstakingly remove large sections of the dashboard or door panels held on by delicate plastic clips that often break in the process, adding to the time and cost of the repair. This next feature turned a simple tool for directing the car into a cluttered electronic minefield prone to catastrophic failure. Number 11. Overcluttered steering wheels. The steering wheel was once a simple, elegant tool. Now it's not uncommon for modern steering wheels to have over 20 buttons crammed onto them. The intention is convenience, but the result is a confusing mess. This button overload forces you to take your eyes off the road, turning a simple task into a hazardous one. The delicate electronics and flexible ribbon cables, known as a clock spring, inside are constantly being used, leading to inevitable failure. This single part is responsible for the horn, airbag, and all the button controls. It was never designed to handle so many functions, and it wears out. Buttons become unresponsive, and because they are integrated with safety systems, a simple failure can disable your airbag, trigger a cascade of issues, and result in a repair bill topping $500. Believe it or not, this futuristic-looking feature is a dangerous step backward in both safety and usability. Number 10. Button and rotary gear shifters. For decades, the gear shifter was a simple, intuitive lever. In their quest for a minimalist interior, designers have replaced this with electronic buttons and rotary dials. While sleek, they are a step backward. In an emergency, fumbling with a dial can cost critical seconds. Imagine trying to quickly reverse out of a parking spot as a truck bears down on you. The moment spent looking down to turn a knob is a moment you don't have. There is no tactile feedback, forcing you to break your concentration. Furthermore, these shifters are not mechanically linked to the transmission. They are electronic switches. A faulty switch, a software glitch, or a wiring issue can leave you completely stranded, unable to engage any gear at all. These upgrades promise a self-driving future, but you'll be shocked at how they can put you in danger in the present. Number 9. Driver assist systems. Systems like lane keeping assist and automatic parking are marketed as a step towards safety, but they are often more of a hindrance. Lane keeping assist can be jarringly aggressive, feeling like you're constantly fighting the car for control. Another terrifying issue is phantom braking, where the automatic emergency braking system mistakes a shadow or an overpass for a real threat, causing the car to slam on its brakes in traffic for no reason. The real problem is the maintenance cost. The systems rely on sensitive cameras and sensors. A minor fender bender can damage one, and replacing and recalibrating a single sensor can cost over $1,000, turning a minor cosmetic repair into a massive insurance-claiming event. You'll be terrified to learn how this convenience feature makes your car a sitting duck for high-tech thieves who can steal it from your driveway in seconds. Number 8. Keyless entry. It's the epitome of modern convenience, unlocking your car without touching your keys. But this convenience comes at a steep, dangerous price. A modern key fob can cost hundreds of dollars to replace, but the real danger is theft. Criminals use a relay attack. One thief stands near your house with a device that captures the weak signal from your key fob. This signal is amplified and relayed to a second thief next to your car, tricking it into thinking the key is present. They can unlock the car, start it, and drive it away in less than a minute. Owners are now forced to buy special metal boxes known as Faraday cages just to store their keys safely at home, a ridiculous solution for a problem manufacturers created. You won't believe how a durable $5 knob was replaced by a feature that is more distracting than texting and often becomes unusable. Number 7. Haptic controls and touchscreens. Those sleek touchscreens look fantastic in the showroom, but living with them can be a nightmare. Studies show that using a touchscreen while driving is more distracting than texting. Physical buttons can be operated by feel, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Touchscreens demand your full visual attention. On a sunny day, glare can render them completely unreadable. And when these screens fail, and they do, it's a catastrophe. You could lose access to your backup camera, climate controls, and navigation. Because they are deeply integrated into the car's computer, the repair bill can easily run into the thousands of dollars. This feature offers a pretty view, but you're fundamentally compromising your vehicle's structure and safety for it. Number 6. Panoramic glass roofs. A panoramic glass roof offers a stunning open-air feeling and a sense of luxury. But the thing nobody tells you is that you're compromising your vehicle's structural integrity for a pretty view. You are replacing a strong, engineered piece of steel with heavy, fragile glass. This adds significant weight to the highest point of the car, raising its center of gravity and negatively impacting handling. The roof is also a critical element of chassis rigidity. Replacing steel with glass introduces body flex, which over time leads to persistent squeaks and rattles. In a rollover accident, a glass roof is a major safety hazard compared to solid metal. On a hot day, it acts like a greenhouse, turning your car's interior into an oven and forcing the air conditioner to work much harder, burning more fuel. It provides a magic carpet-like ride, but you'll be shocked at the complex and notoriously unreliable system behind it. Number 5. Air suspension. This luxury comes at the cost of a notoriously complex system that's a ticking time bomb. Air suspension provides a magic carpet-like ride by replacing steel springs with rubber air bladders, but it's a delicate system. It relies on these bladders, electronic sensors, airlines, and a hard-working compressor. Over time, the rubber air springs are exposed to the elements, causing them to dry out, crack, and leak. When a leak occurs, the compressor is forced to run constantly to keep the system inflated, inevitably causing it to burn out. The first sign of trouble is often hearing the compressor run for longer in the morning. A single failed part creates a domino effect of expensive repairs that can leave your car sagging to one side. A full replacement can easily cost over $5,000, often exceeding the car's value. You'll be surprised to learn about the engine choking downside of this efficient fuel delivery system. Number 4. Direct injection. This system sprays fuel directly into the engine cylinders for better efficiency, but it has a major engine choking downside: carbon buildup. In older engines, gasoline constantly washed over the intake valves, keeping them clean. With direct injection, that cleaning effect is gone. The engine's ventilation system routes oil vapor back into the intake, and without fuel to wash it away, this oily mist bakes onto the hot valves, forming thick carbon deposits. This buildup restricts airflow, leading to rough idling, misfires, and a significant loss of performance and fuel economy. The only way to fix it is with an expensive and labor-intensive service called walnut blasting, where a technician uses a high-pressure tool to blast the valves with crushed walnut shells to clean off the gunk. This clever fuel-saving feature comes with a massive risk of a $10,000 catastrophic failure. Number 3. Cylinder deactivation. This system promises better fuel economy by shutting down some engine cylinders when cruising. It sounds clever, but it's a deeply flawed and destructive technology. The problem lies in the complex mechanical lifters used to deactivate the valves. These specialized lifters, which use oil pressure to activate delicate internal pins, are under unique stress and are notoriously prone to failure. When one fails, it can cause a persistent misfire. In a worst-case scenario, the lifter collapses entirely, sending sharp metal fragments throughout your engine. These fragments can destroy your camshaft and cylinder walls, leading to a completely destroyed engine. It's a feature that promises a tiny gain in miles per gallon, but carries a massive risk of a $10,000 catastrophic failure. The race for fuel economy has led to this, but all that extra power comes at a huge cost to reliability. Number 2. Small turbocharged engines. To meet fuel economy standards, manufacturers have replaced larger engines with small, complex turbocharged ones. Turbos get more power from a smaller engine, but this complexity costs reliability. They run incredibly hot and spin at astonishing speeds of over 150,000 RPM, putting massive thermal stress on all engine components. The engine oil has to work much harder to lubricate and cool the turbo's delicate bearings. If you aren't diligent with high-quality oil changes, the oil can burn inside the tiny lines, starving the turbo of lubrication and causing it to fail. Turbo failures are common and not cheap to fix. We're talking thousands of dollars for a new turbo and the complex labor required to install it. And the most destructive car feature of all is one that you probably use every single day, unknowingly shortening your engine's life with every stop. Number 1. Engine start-stop systems. Topping our list is the most destructive feature of all, one that has become almost unavoidable on new cars, all in the name of saving a microscopic amount of fuel in city traffic. We're talking about engine start-stop systems. When you come to a full stop, the engine automatically shuts off, only to roar back to life the instant you lift your foot from the brake. It sounds clever, but the thing nobody tells you is the incredible, accelerated wear this puts on your entire vehicle. An engine starter and its battery are designed for a specific number of starts in their lifetime, which engineers refer to as a duty cycle. A typical car might be designed for 50,000 starts. Start-stop systems can increase that number by a factor of 10, subjecting these components to 500,000 starts. This leads to the premature failure of the heavy-duty starter motor and the specialized, expensive, absorbed glass mat AGM battery required to handle this immense load. Replacing one of these batteries isn't a simple swap. It can easily cost 3 to 4 times as much as a standard battery. But the most insidious damage is happening deep inside your engine. Every single time the engine restarts, there's a brief but critical moment before full oil pressure is built up. During this semi-dry startup, vital components like the crankshaft and camshaft bearings grind against each other with inadequate lubrication. Multiplying this wear by thousands of extra starts over the life of the car leads to a significantly shorter engine lifespan. It's a disastrous trade-off, trading pennies in fuel for a potential multi-thousand-dollar engine repair down the road. So, are car manufacturers deliberately building cars to fail? Or is this just the unfortunate side effect of a relentless push for innovation? The best car is often the simplest one. As we've seen, more features usually just means more things to break. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to protect yourself from the hidden costs of car ownership, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.